What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today I will be working with the company Aliexpress. This is their hair. This is their natural Jerry Curly bundles. I did get an 18-inch frontal and 3 bundles and a 22, 24, and a 26-inch. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Here, I'm just showing you guys the box. It's a cute little Aliexpress box with all their business information. Comes with a tracking number and some cute little eyelashes. Next, here is the wig. I did make this into a wig on my sewing machine, and I did attach an elastic band. I did go ahead and customize the wig off camera. As you know, you guys want to take your 91% alcohol and clean the entire perimeter of your forehead. Make sure you get in the nooks and crannies around your ears. You want everything to be clean. Now I'm going to take my Got To Be Glued in the yellow bottle and just take a popsicle stick for my application. And I'm just going to do, I guess, a semi-thin coat of the gel and then hit it with the blow dryer for a couple, maybe a minute or a couple seconds, and then do a repeat until I feel the likeliness of the tacky of the gel. And then after that, we will proceed to put the wig on. Once you have your wig on, you want to go ahead and quickly adjust it to where you put your gel. I like to just try to move fast because I do not want the gel to dry on my forehead. Here you will see I go in with my freeze spray to hit a couple places where I did not put the gel. You want to quickly just go ahead and put that wherever you see any extra lace and just blow it with the blow dryer for a couple seconds and just gently press it back down. It's so quick and easy. Next, I'm going to take my True Match L'Oreal foundation powder in my shade and just put that wherever I think I just need some more color to where I feel like the lace is a little dark. I did put that in the part and in between my baby hairs on my hairline. Next, I'm going to take the same Got To Be Glued yellow bottle and relay my baby hairs. I did go ahead and mold this style down on my mannequin head before I put it on, so the baby hairs are not exactly like how I want them, and I didn't put them all over the hairline. So as you guys can see, I am just going in and adding some more baby hairs and fixing baby hairs that was already on the wig. And again, I go in with my foundation powder. This is optional. You don't have to do this. This is just what I prefer to do. After that, I'm going to take my free spray and my hot comb and lay out the perimeter of my hair. I like it to look kind of flushed, slick back, kind of at the roots, and then have it lay over with the curls. I don't really know how to explain it. I'm sorry, but as you guys can see, that's what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to take this Cantu decoiling cream spray and just put that lightly all over the hair. And then I was going to go in with my spray bottle, but my spray bottle was acting real ratchet and not working. So you will see me come back with wet hair, and I will finish my baby hairs and then add in the rest of my products. I did end up having to go off camera and just get a paddle brush and just wet my paddle brush and brush my hair because my spray bottle was acting real ratchet for some reason and the water would not come out. So yeah, other than that, everything else was filmed. This is Julia hair. Again, this is a 18-inch frontal with 3 bundles and a 20, 22, and 24. I did make the hair into a glueless. I'm gonna say glueless because it has the elastic band. Really, all you need to put is by your ear tabs with some Got To Be Glued hairspray or some Got To Be Glued yellow or black bottle. So yeah, I did make this unit into a wig for my sewing machine. I doubled both of my webs, or actually I think I doubled all my tracks, and I fit all 3 bundles and the full closure into the wig, so it is super full. This is all I've gotten from shedding. And this is with me brushing the hair. Again, like I did say, I did customize the frontal off camera. I did go ahead and bleach the knots and plug the hairline. But the frontal does come pre-plucked, for one. The hair is 24 inches long. And it's super long on me. I am 5 foot even. And I'm going to show you guys the stretched length on me. It comes to my waist, and again, y'all, I did fit all of my bundles in here. This is 3 full bundles plus a frontal. I would say about the pattern, I like the wet look, so that's why I put all those products, as you guys seen, into my hair. Some people like the more poofy, kinky, curly look, but that is not what I'm going for. But y'all, I love this hair. If you want to see another review featuring this company, just let me know. This hairstyle is perfect for the wintertime because it is getting cold. You do not have to do the ear thing. You can put it over your ear like this, you know. But I don't know, it's like my little signature little thing right here. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.